So let's talk about open platforms. So we're taking this even further. The idea of open platforms is I use my product or my service as something other people can build on it. If you're in the software industry, you know something called APIs, application program interfaces. The idea is I have a platform, I have a software product, and other people can build on top of this. If you're familiar with Salesforce, it's a really good example. Salesforce is a customer relationship management software, and they allow other people to plug into it and build on top of it. Facebook is another example where you can play games inside of Facebook, so Facebook becomes a platform. I want to show you where platforms actually happen in the real world. So software is obvious, but they happen in the real world. It's really fascinating to see. And I want to talk about IKEA. So you are blessed that you don't have IKEA here. IKEA makes this really beautiful, fun furniture. The challenge with that furniture is they sell you the furniture unassembled. So you basically get a whole box of like stuff, and then a really complex manual to like build your stuff with it. Which a lot of people hate. Now something interesting happened. Because you get a box of stuff, there's a community now of people saying, oh, we hack this stuff. We take this and we turn it into something different. So say, for example, I take a shelf and I take a table plate and I take this other thing and I create this new amazing height adjustable desk out of it. So these people organize themselves on a site called IKEA Hackers. On IKEA Hackers, you will find thousands upon thousands of detailed instructions on how you can buy this thing and this thing from IKEA and create something completely new. This has also become total mainstream. There's a magazine and a site in the US called Good Housekeeping, which is the premier interior design magazine. They talk about this IKEA hacking. So what does IKEA do? First, they sue them because they're like, you're misusing our trademark. The second is they sue them because they're afraid, right? There's product liability. And I met the head of innovation from IKEA when they started suing them. He was in my program at the EP. And I was yelling at him. I was like, you're so stupid. You have a platform. This is crazy. This is the best thing which can happen to you. Because what people do is they take your stuff and they're producing new products which A, you could have never dreamt of, and B, which probably are so niche-y, so small, that you would never produce them because it doesn't make economic sense for you, but there is a community for it. So what they do is they embrace it. So they go out now and sell you individual parts. They're like, oh, okay, so our stuff is more like Lego. So we'll sell you parts, build your own stuff. It's a really interesting way to think about how can you take a physical product and turn it into a platform, allow people to build on it, create variations of your product which you could never even dream about, and allow them to produce products in quantities which are so small that you would never even think about building them.